Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you the couple of fixes for your headphones when they are quiet. The first thing that I would actually recommend doing is to charge your headphones up to 100%. Plug them into your power outlet and wait. I would wait some 2 hours maybe, or even 3, so that they are charged fully and even beyond. Of course, not beyond, but you know what I mean. And then you need to check if they are still so quiet. If they are, you need to check for the player issue. Try switching the applications, like if you were using Spotify, try using Apple Music. If you were using Apple Music, try something different. You know, we've got SoundCloud, YouTube Music, we've got many applications that are suitable for that. If the issue only persists on your application that you are using, like, you know, for example, if you're using Spotify, if you have this issue only on Spotify, try reinstalling this application or updating it to the latest version. If you don't see anything else, but it's still on your only on Spotify, try reporting this bug to the application support. So, if you see that this issue persists on every application you use, you need to perform a factory reset. How to do that? Find the power button, which is right here, and when your headphones are turned off, you need to hold this button. Now they are turned on. You need to hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds until they are fully factory resetted. If it didn't help you, need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye and have a nice day.